Model Y Juniper, this thing looks so good, looks so clean in front, and we got our license plate. So we have to put our license plate on for legal reasons, and actually I kind of want to show it off when I'm at car shows, but for Teslas, we all know they come with this. Like, you have to use this to stick onto here, and you have to use adhesive right here. It's not going to be perfectly aligned unless you spend time to align it, and then when you don't want your license plate on, this thing is on, and it just ruins the flow of the car. Sometimes I just want to take it off and just enjoy the beautiful look of the Model Y Juniper. But we have to put on our license plate.
There is a better way, and for this reason, that's why I developed the QuickBandit 7 years ago. It's made from a marine grade high-density polyethylene. It's CNC machine, not 3D printed. All the screws are basically stainless steel. The design is in a way where when you install it, it does not block the camera. So there's a little curve down here. That's where it fits. So all you do is just make sure that this lever is in that position like this, and then when you slide it in, then you pull this lever down and it's in place. And
ooh.
This is the locking screw here. I also include the special tool to lock this in place.
Let's put our license plate on. I love it. It makes it easy to take off and put on whenever we need to. And I like the lock. These license plates are so nice. I bet people want to take mine. So it's good to have that screw there.
And plus we're being recorded by Sentry Mode video right there.
Always. And I should say, I knew that Tony was here. He's my buddy. He makes the QuickBandit, as you can see here in his shirt. It's patented and it's official. He is one of the first ones that generate these license plate frames for the Tesla. I've used them on my older Model Y, on my Cybertruck. I love them. He makes them for Rivians as well, right?
Yes, and it's designed and manufactured here in the USA.
Designed by this guy and actually handmade by this guy. So let's put this on, and let's put my license plate on the QuickBandit.
Basically, it comes with all the hardware, the 4 screws, the locking screw, and the tools. So you just install this on with the 4 Phillips screws. It has to be in the center, because obviously if you have it on the side, it's going to block the camera. And plus these 4 clamping arms won't lock in place, so you just slide it in, make sure it's centered right there, right where the camera is, and then you push it down, and that's it.
Beautiful. So it's easy to find the center too.
Well, because the camera is right there.
Right, because you have this little curvature. Nice. So it's perfect. You don't lose any functionality. You can still use the camera. It's already centered by design, and it's clean because it looks really good when you need it on. But you can take it off at an instant, and it's super easy. So that is the QuickBandit. You don't need to use this one and stick onto your Tesla. You have the QuickBandit. It can easily put on and easily take off. How do you pull this on off? Oh, you locked it.
Yeah, I locked it.
So so you just pull it off like this. Oh, wow. The feel is actually really nice because there's a little bit of a resistance. Oh, wow. Look at the linkage in here. Look at that. Oh, I'm a nerd. I'm an engineer, and I love all these linkage. It's very, very nice. You have all this linkage, and it just pops in like this. You don't even need to screw, because the way it locks out like this, it will hold its position, and your license plate won't come off. I've used QuickBandits before, and I never need to actually use a security screw. So I'm gonna put it on. Let me see how easy it is to put on. My first time doing it right here. And did I get it in right?
Yep.
And then just push it down right here and hold it up here and push it down like that. Oh yeah, and I can definitely feel that resistance when it locks in right here. Boom, because the linkage over there extends and it locks it in. It's so nice. Of course, that screw right here, you see how the screw will block it from being removed? That's it. It's not a normal screw. You have to have a unique star head that will allow you to loosen this. So you want to tighten this, and then nobody can take it out. Very, very cool. That is the QuickBandit for the new updated refresh 2026 Model Y right here. Oh yeah. So just to see how awesome the QuickBandit is, this is the front grille of the Model Y Juniper, and Tony's going to show us how that plate actually attaches on the QuickBandit.
So you line it up right here. It's centered, and then you pull this lever down, and all those 4 arms expand out and clamps on.
Nice.
It doesn't actually grab onto the thin part where the louver is, but it attaches to the upper and lower bumper structure.
Very solid. Much more rigid. I prefer that. Nice. And it's so easy to put on and take off. And you can also see centered by this right here. That helps to center it as well.
Yep.
Sweet.